Let's be honest for a second. There's a thought most women have, but don't always say out loud. If he really cared, I wouldn't feel so confused. And deep down, you already know the answer. Because when a man is truly serious about you, you don't feel like you're guessing your place in his life. You feel it. Not in big speeches, not in empty promises, but in the way he shows you pee. Consistently, effortlessly, without being asked. And that's the difference most people miss. Because a man who's unsure will give you words. But a man who's serious, he gives you ACTN. So today, we're breaking down the real signs. Not the obvious ones, not the fake good boyfriend acts, but the subtle, powerful behaviors that reveal when a man is all in. Sign 1. You're not chasing his attention. Here's the first shift. You're not the one always texting first. You're not waiting hours for replies. You're not overthinking every message. Because when a man values you, he naturally moves toward you. You don't have to pull him in. He checks in. He calls. He makes plans. Not perfectly, but consistency. And consistency. That's where real feelings live. Because a man who's serious doesn't disappear and reappear. He stays. Sign 2. You feel calm, not anxious. This one is huge. When something is off, you feel it. And when something is right, you feel that too. With the right man, you're not constantly questioning everything. You're not analyzing texts, replaying conversations, doubting your worth. You feel calm. Because he doesn't make you feel replaceable. He makes you feel secure. And that kind of emotional safety, that's not accidental. That's intentional behavior from a man who knows your value. Sign 3. He includes you without thinking twice. Watch this closely. Does he naturally include you in his life? Not just dates, but decisions. He says things like, we should try this. Let's go there next month. You'll love my friends. Notice the language. It's not me. It's we. Because when a man sees you long term, you become part of his world automatically. No forcing, no convincing, just natural inclusion. Sign 4. His effort doesn't depend on convenience. Anyone can show up when it's easy. But what about when it's not? That's where truth shows up. He texts you when he's busy. He checks on you when you're down. He makes time even when life is chaotic. Because effort isn't about time. It's about priority. And when a man is serious, you're not an option. You're a priority. Sign 5. He doesn't disturb your peace, he protects it. Let's clear something up. Love is not supposed to feel like stress. If you're constantly anxious, confused, drained, that's not love. That's emotional chaos. A real man, he brings peace. He doesn't play mind games. He doesn't create unnecessary drama. Instead, he makes your life feel lighter, safer, easier. Because when he cares about you, your peace matters to him. Sign 6. He supports who you're becoming. A man who's serious about you isn't threatened by your growth. He respects it. He encourages your goals. He celebrates your wins. He stands beside you, not in competition with you. Because he doesn't see your success as distance, he sees it as teamwork. And that's rare. Sign 7. You don't have to decode him. No mixed signals. No confusion. No what did he mean by that. He's clear. Clear about his intentions. Clear about his feelings. Clear about you. Because a man who's serious doesn't leave you guessing. He makes sure you know. Sign 8. He takes responsibility. Let's be real. Everyone makes mistakes. But here's the difference. A mature man owns them. He doesn't blame you. He doesn't twist the story. He says, I messed up. And he means it. Because protecting the relationship is more important than protecting his ego. Sign 9. He listens beyond words. Anyone can hear you. But not everyone listens. A serious man, he pays attention to the little things, your moods, your stories. He remembers what matters to you. Because when you matter to him, your voice isn't background noise. It's important. Sign 10. He's proud to stand next to you. This one is simple. He doesn't hide you. He doesn't act different in public. He shows you off not for validation, but because he genuinely respects you. You can feel it, his energy, the way he looks at you, talks about you, treats you. Because when a man is serious, he's not just with you. He's proud of you. Final truth. If you're sitting there wondering, does he really want me? Stop listening to what he says. Start watching what he does. Because real love isn't loud. It's consistent. It's steady. It's intentional. And most importantly, it's clear. You won't have to chase it. You won't have to question it. You won't have to fight for it. you'll feel it. And if you don't, that's your answer. Because the right man won't make you beg for the basics. He'll give them to you naturally, without you asking. If this hit you, even a little, drop a comment and tell me which part felt real. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start understanding men on a deeper level, make sure you subscribe. Because here, we don't chase love, we understand it.